Ever dreamt of effortlessly managing money across borders with transparent fees and real-time tracking? Getting started with Revolut in the UK is a breeze. First, head to your app store, whether it's Apple or Android, and search for Revolut. Once you've found the Revolut app, simply tap to download it. It's a quick install, getting you ready in no time. Open the app, and you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. You'll then receive a verification code. Enter that. Set up a secure password and fill in some basic personal details like your name and address. This is standard for financial services. To unlock all of Revolut's features, you'll need to verify your account. This typically involves scanning a valid UK ID, like your passport or driving license, directly through the app. It's a quick and secure process. Once verified, you'll land on your Revolut home screen. Here, you'll see your different currency balances. To add funds, tap on Add Money. You have several convenient options to top up your account. You can link your debit card, use Apple or Google Pay for instant transfers, or initiate a classic bank transfer directly from your existing UK bank account. Now for international transfers, tap Send. You can send money to other Revolut users instantly and for free, or to external bank accounts globally with competitive exchange rates. Simply enter the recipient's details, the amount, and choose the currency. Revolut handles the rest with transparency, showing you the exact exchange rate upfront. Revolut isn't just about transfers. Its in-app budgeting tools give you a clear overview of your spending, categorizing transactions instantly so you can stay in control. And for spending abroad, your Revolut card offers excellent exchange rates with no hidden fees on weekdays. Just tap and pay as you would with any other card. You'll get instant spending notifications, empowering you with real-time financial updates, whether you're in the UK or halfway across the world. With Revolut, managing your money in the UK and beyond is intuitive, efficient, and truly global. Tap into a smarter way to handle your finances today.